Hello guys, it's me here, Kechi again, Natural Remedies. Welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time of stopping by, you are highly welcome. So in today's video, I'm gonna share with you guys the drink that will just get rid of bloated tummy and get you back in shape. This drink works so well. But if I've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, share and comment. Share this video to your friends and to your loved ones. Just click on that red button down below and turn up your notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Without wasting much of your time, let's just get into it. Once again. What we need for this recipe is our green tea. So I'm using green tea, ginger and orange. So you can go ahead and use your pure green tea. This is just green tea too. So I'll just add the tea bag inside the cup. And I'll pour hot water. Then I'll allow it to sit for 5 minutes. So I'll set it aside just for 5 minutes. So the next thing we need is our ginger. So I'll be grating the ginger because what I need in this recipe is just 1 tablespoon of ginger. I'll just by peeling the back of the ginger. If you just smell down that belly fat in 5 days, honestly go ahead and take this. Drink it in the morning and drink it at night, just 2 times a day. It will just melt down that stubborn belly fat. So right now I'm just gonna grate the ginger. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share this video to your friends and to your loved ones. Just click on that red button down below and turn up the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Just keep on watching. I'm gonna tell you guys how to just use it for better results at the end of this video. So I'll just set it aside. So the next thing we need is our lemon. I'm gonna use 1 full lemon for it. So I'm gonna squeeze it. This drink is a fat burner, guys. When you drink it consistently for 5 good days, you're gonna see a result, drastic results. You're gonna see drastic results. It works so well. Just what you need is just at the end of just what's at the end of the video, I will tell you how to use it for a better result. Just keep on watching, okay? So this is it. I'm gonna set it aside too. Please just ignore this noise. There's construction going around the area. So now I'm gonna start mixing it. First of all, this after 5 minutes, then I'll just pour the tea, the green tea inside the cup. You can see it's still hot. Then I'll add 1 tablespoon of ginger. Just add everything. So I'll add the lemon. I'll just add whole lemon. So the next I'm gonna add in this recipe is honey. This pure honey. Please, if you want to use this honey, make sure you buy original honey and let it be organic honey. So I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of organic honey. Then I'll just stir it. So guys, this is just what you need to just bring down that belly fat. It will keep you in shape. This is going to reduce weight. Just make it as your routine, morning routine. When you drink it in the morning, when you wake up, before you eat anything, go ahead and drink it. And before you go to bed, just make sure you drink it. Drink it two times a day. If you want to see a maximum result for this, just go ahead and drink it 2 times a day. Drink it in the morning before food and drink it at night after food. You're gonna melt down that stubborn fat. Within 5 days, you're gonna see the result. It works so well. Just go ahead and try it. Let it be your morning routine. As I said, wake up in the morning, drink it before any other thing. Hope you guys love this video. Hope you guys enjoy it. If you love it, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share this video to your friends and to your loved one. Just click on that red button down below and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Remember that you will drink it while it's warm. Don't drink it when it's cold. Please drink it warm so that you will just burn down that fat. Okay, so ciao.